The Personal Library of Rachel Louise Carson, Shedding Additional Light into the Real Woman. I'm Dr. Jorge Santiago-Blay, and the rest of my collaborators are listed on the slide. Silent spring has some underpinnings in genetics, such as natural selection and mutation. While Rachel Carson was a master student at Johns Hopkins University from the fall of 28 to the spring of 32, she interacted with prominent geneticists such as Raymond Pearl and Herbert Spencer Jennings. Here we see them a little bit younger than what she actually saw them, excuse me. Owing to the paucity of documents describing the thoughts about genetics that Carson had, we sought insights from the remnants of her personal library, located at the United States Fish and Wildlife Service Museum and Archives in Shepherdstown, West Virginia. Now, this was really a surprise to us. Out of the 398 books that remain from Rachel Carson's library, only a small portion, 12.8%, are science books, shown here, and none shed light on the genetic thoughts of Rachel Carson. There were lots of children literature books, lots of fiction and poetry as well. Why so few science books? Carson was chronically strapped for money, and she depended on borrowed books and on an extensive network of informants who kept her abreast of cutting-edge science. Other books may have been sold or lost amidst her many moves, or most of them related to her increasing family caring responsibilities. Why so many non-science books? Carson always wanted to be a writer, and some of those books were used in raising Roger, her grandnephew and adopted son. Perhaps, we speculate here, she found happiness keeping the books that would most closely remind her of her deepest professional wishes. Thank you.